Number 7, Apostle claps back. Mr. Upis. Okay, Burritos, on one of the earlier social media countdowns, I mentioned the story of the Apostle by the name of, let me see if we can get him name, by the name of Omar Reed. He came to Jamaica to, I guess, do some preaching, and this video went viral when, I guess, some members of the congregation decided to give him a little bit of an airlift. Yeah man, son, remember that video? No, people, one of the Burritos sent me this video because I guess the Apostle went live recently and somebody commented something, and whatever that comment was, it was unfavorable. He did not like it and he went off on this, I guess this random social media user.
It's contradicting. Maybe nobody in the Bahamas ever dealt with you, but I deal with you. You got the wrong one. You got the wrong one. Jezebel, you don't know me. I got my wife. And we got 6 kids. The reason why we got 6 kids, because we're doing it every night. Maybe because you ain't getting none, so you frustrated. Ooh. Maybe you not having an orgasm, so you backed up. You need a release.
Lord Jesus.
I looked at her page. She's so black and ugly. I don't see no glory on her.
Well, okay, that is what you call a clapbackification. That was quite serious. You know what? I am going to give that brother, Mr. Apostle Reed, the freedom to express himself however he chooses.
On that Jezebel dog, gonna be sending my name around talking about some according to the law of the land. God is a God of order. Jezebel Patrice Smith, bring your black self on here with your dry wig weave. Come on here. That is not the order of your bulldog spirit. Y'all bring her on here. Bring that Jezebel on here with her bulldog spirit. I'm pretty sure she demasculated her husband. She's a Jezebel because Jezebel did not respect Ahab.
You know, I guess some people, you have your good days and you have your bad day. And that day, I guess he just decided to just like don her for filth and, you know, bring out a little bit of that trissation realness. And I guess, you know, he has the right to do so. All I know is that, you know, that got many people talking, and I guess he just allowed social media to dry him out. But Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. What do you have to say about the Apostles' clapback? Sound off in the comments down below.